Let us stop all these small gossips that people come every day to attack prisoners. So this one is a clear one. I don't have no problem with nobody. But I want to be sure that somebody says stop talking about Sako. Tell Chris Anu to stop talking about Sisiko. Yes, you should stop talking about prisoners. When you post stop, I'll stop. When you stop, I'll stop. I call for ceasefire, you continue. Tell all those on ABC, those surrogates, they are the people that if Chris stops or Sako stops, Sako will call them on conference call. I know what I'm saying. Yes, ask Scott Johnson in Momo. I think we called people on conference call telling them what to talk about Sisiko. Yes. So Mark, go and tell them, because it's Antonio what? Go and tell Chris Anu that the day that he will stop talking about prisoners, I will stop. All of you Ambazonians, go and tell him. That's what I've said. Let him stop talking about people being compromised, because he's the most compromised person in this revolution by his attitude. So the day he will stop, if you people, you person that concentrate on your lane, but every day you come and make conspiracies about people in jail, how they are talking with this, they are doing this. If you want to stop, you to stop. So that is the bargain I've given you people. Because none of you can beat me in this thing. None of you. None of you. I don't need your love. I don't need it. Because revolution is not won by love. It's not. It's won by a few committed people. So if you people want Ambazonians, listen today. If you want this thing to stop, tell Chris that if he goes online, let him talk his own things, but make sure that he should not involve money, that he will come and scam people. Let him stop talking about prisoners. If he continues, I will continue. You people should be ashamed that somebody goes on air every day. His only thing is to attack those in Konengi. Yet you people clap when I come to defend innocent prisoners. You come and say every time there is a certain confusion. Who starts it? Who? Nonsense. Sako will come every day, come and lie about Swiss. One man calls himself acting president. He cannot talk. He will clear his throat 20 times in one audio, and then he comes and still lies to you people, rambling around. How can a man say that he's part of the Swiss process, and then what does he do? He gives 3 different versions. You, this mad guy, you didn't see it. You didn't listen to 3 different versions in one particular process, and you tell me that I should trust that kind of person? If you people want peace, I don't have no problem with nobody. I have a very forgiving heart, but I'm standing firm on this fact. Tell all those activists, if you want peace, let them stop calling the name of anybody in jail. Yes. Stop. If you call my name for something I didn't do, I can ignore. But if I come out, it's going to be tearing. I say this to protect the revolution. On the ground, I'm very present. In the days ahead, we'll unveil a plan that will be sustainable for the revolution. Not quite. I won't leave that one. So now, if they want to make sure, say they must stop this talk on social media, maybe they stop for call prisoners and them. Now the only condition that none of them will vilify Yoktabe and leave him. None of them. None of them will vilify that man. Me every time I not leave him. It not will ever happen. Not for this generation. Because if I leave him, the revolution will be down. That's it. When I respect my way, declare on a restoration. That's it. Sako therefore they run him mouth. They talk all kind of conspiracy. You need to see how they talk. Crooks. When I can't tell me say my stay quiet. When I talk about waiting. When I look the aspects and for the revolution, most start to self-defense. Sako don't to self-defense. No guns. How we fight? When I need to see that one. Everything for Facebook. When I can't write this, my that. Go for media. Which one will I never see you for which media? CNN, BBC. You don't see Sako for side. Nowhere. We talk within ourselves for cycles or WhatsApp groups, the same Facebook pages. Go for diplomacy. Which president, which prime minister, which ambassador? Call me, show me secret picture. No. They don't think ever do it. They don't get nothing to offer. Yet they tell everything and say we'll go to Boya. Now I don't go hang for Swiss. Switzerland, you go for they go talking about peace for Cameroon. You go for Mali, talk about peace, make a separate country give you. Switzerland will go separate country give you. Until Sako can lie say the first international intervention now the Swiss initiative. You see how foolish people they be? Swiss now the last people they make what issue be internationalized. Because American government don't get internationalized what issue. The killing of Wesco, the whole auditing for American Congress. More than how many times they hear Cameroon for American Congress. That was long internationalized. Wait to be more internationalized than America. On the corridors of the Senate, I went there, we internationalized the revolution there. But they don't go for international media. What is Sako talking about internationalization? Because that's the first thing you did, and you did it without due procedures. You turn the procedure of negotiation upside down by writing a surrender letter to La République du Cameroon. You are the one who caused the creation of the disarmament and whatever reintegration commission. Because it's after a letter that integration stuff was formed. That's what gave BR, because it says that we surrendered. On a come from a guy talk nonsense, say Traco international Swiss for 54 years. We, some of us, started internationalizing at the level of the Congress. Ayok Tabe, before Siseko went to jail, he made the first international move. In the whole of the world, there is one place that the Ambazonian flag is officially hoisted. That's the Council of Iowa in Massachusetts. That's where Ayok Tabe went. That's where Anyangwa and the rest went. What has Sako done? Sako has not even seen a mayor here in Maryland or in Heisman, Prince George's County, and he's running his mouth, going to streets. You're backside. You don't have any support, any base. All you know is to run your mouth. And you come here, you tell me that I should stay quiet for a man who is destroying the revolution, tearing the revolution apart, doing conspiracy, hiring people to be doing audios. Until some bull or go to say that Eric Tato, this thing, nonsense. You people are just so sick.